Brian's logic loves navigation, especially astronomical navigation. And I love fast boats. Can we perhaps combine that in some way? Let's freeze this video for a moment. Of course we can combine those two skills. I have an offer or a challenge for him so he can prove for all what a great navigator he is. According to Brian, he understands astronomical navigation and he claims that it only works on a flat Earth. Now I have the opportunity to take him out at sea so he can try his skills in navigation. The boat you see in the background is one of many types of ships and boats I drive in the Swedish Navy. This is the combat boat 90. Yesterday Sweden decided to donate 10 of those to Ukraine, but I'm not able to take Brian on one of those, but I will work quite close to him in May this year. So then I can take Brian on a ride in a boat so he can navigate. Let me explain. This is from the Swedish version of SAS Who Dares Wins, and I was responsible for all that had to do with the water boats and so on. But you don't have to worry, Brian. I will not force you to be in this type of television show and doing all those things those poor people was have to do when we recorded this series. Almost every year I work with some television productions, film productions, music video productions. Often I'm in charge of boats and safety among boats and work as some kind of a stunt driver on boats. And now I have a contract to be a part of a film recording in the UK. I will be in charge of boats and driving boats in this film. In the filming of Who Dares Wins in Sweden, I was in charge of 4 boats, and those who drove them, I'm driving the one with the roof, as you see in the front here. I planned all the driving, was in charge of safety and so on. So let's have a look at some quick clips from that TV series. So the work I will do in UK is this type. It will be in an international movie and it will be action. I can't reveal any details about that. But I will have a boat like this. 8 meters, 450 horsepower, top speed of 58 knots and all navigation aids you can need. So what is my plan? I can't reveal where in UK the filming will take place, but the boat I will have it on a trailer so I can move it easily. I will buy Brian a ferry ticket to Holyhead in UK. There I will meet him in the boat and give him a paper chart, a compass, a sextant. And then we start a ride back to Ireland. I will drive and Brian will navigate. He will not be allowed to use the plotter on the boat, the electronic charts, the radar, GPS or other modern aids. I will of course use the radar and so on for safety reasons. I will do the navigation in the beginning, but when we are 25 nautical miles from Holyhead, it's his turn to do the navigation. I will give him a location in the area around Dublin that I want him to navigate to. After that, I will do some tests with him. How far can we see with the radar and so on. Brian is free to film or photograph or make any videos about this, and I could provide him with film material if we want. And when we are close to the coast for Ireland, hopefully we have a connection with a mobile net so we can do live broadcasts. And in the end of the day, I will give him a lift to Dublin and, if we want, buy him a dinner. And one important thing, I will pay for the ferry to UK for Brian. I will give him food and so on. The only thing he have to do is to get to Dublin. Flat earthers often ask if I really have any experience at all of navigation and driving boats. I can't film on my work in the Navy, but here is a short part from a live stream when I was out in a prototype for a boat. Yes, it's nice. I love to try new boats. I will next week I will collect 2 boats that are much more quick. I think I will get this we test. I think I will get this up in 42 knots. This is 44. Okay, I will be back with some videos from this trip with some lighthouses and so on. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. This is the boat I was driving in that live stream. I have made several live streams when I showed the radar and so on. This one is smaller than the one I will use in the UK. And one more thing, of course, I will have all the equipment so we can be safe out at sea. Yesterday I received a quite big donation, so I have been able to send 2 more kamikaze drones to Ukraine. But I'm sorry to say they need more. Thank you everybody helping me helping Ukraine. If you want me to buy kamikaze drones, use PayPal. I hope that Brian will accept my challenge. And that was all for today. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.